The Xperia XZ2 Premium from Sony now has a price and release date, and as expected, the improved version of the $800 XZ2 will no longer be cheap. It will cost $999.99 unlocked when shipped on July 30. Advance orders in the United States for the XZ2 Premium will be available at Amazon and Best starting July 9, but Amazon's pre-orders will sweeten the deal by offering a pair of free Xperia Ear Duo cordless headphones, which seems to do that as the best option. The XZ2 Premium offers a 5.8-inch HDR 4K screen, 2 rear cameras, a 19-megapixel color sensor and a 12-megapixel monochrome sensor that offers a maximum ISO of 51200, 6 GB of RAM, a 3540 mAh battery and a Snapdragon processor 845. However, there is still no headphone jack.